Hey guys, so I'm gonna take my hair down and we are gonna be trying this edge control. No, this is not sponsored. I've just been seeing it around TikTok and it was on sale, so I'm like, but I got it. So yeah, I'm gonna be take my hair down, try to see if it works, wash my hair. And yeah. And I'm gonna start a series, so stay tuned. And it's gonna be called Trying Things So You Don't Have to. So stay tuned. Okay, so I took my hair down. Yeah, got a little bit extra lip, some shrinkage in there. It looks uneven, but I promise I ain't got my hair. I couldn't like down here or whatever, but yeah, now we're gonna try it. I'm my hair's fresh. Yeah. Okay, so I walked outside. I had to flick it backwards because it was coming up. But maybe I don't know. We're gonna try it when it come out the freezer, cause like it's lifting. But I think that's my fault, cause I try to brush my hair a bit, so that's my fault. But we're gonna try it once it come out the freezer. Okay, so I got it out the freezer. As I said, my edges started to lift up, so. But, girl, I love it. We finna try it though. Okay, y'all. Okay, so, I put one, not twins, but yeah, I'm moving. I'm gonna let it stick. Mind you, this is with no spark. I put it in the freezer. It's cold, but I put it in the freezer. And I think that if you were to get this, it would be best to put it in the freezer. It would be best to have it in the freezer. But it's humid, it's raining outside, so I'm standing outside for a couple seconds. See if it's gonna stick. So it's gonna a little bit right here. But yeah, stay outside a little bit. And whoops, what have you? Okay, so I made it. I moved it. No mistake, but yeah, you're gonna stand outside. Do a little blood test. Okay. My forehead kind of red, yeah, but it ain't moving. Right now, my rating for this is like, okay, so my rating for it is like a 7 out of 10. Right now, if it was me standing in the rain, it would be an 8. Definitely, I don't know. In the stand in the rain, but before I put it in the freezer, it was like a good 6. But yeah, we're gonna see if this will stay outside. So I'll get back with y'all. Okay, so I came outside. Still kind of moving, but I don't know how to feel about this. Yeah, I stick with my rating like a good 7 out of 10 maybe. Started to lift as soon as I kind of came outside, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it on some clean hair.